Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy this content, then don't forget to subscribe, because that would really help the channel and I would appreciate it incredibly, so thank you very much. Today I'm coming back to AudioLab. I'm going to be doing a few more tutorials on the inner workings of AudioLab, and obviously there is my overall review which I'll put at the top of the card here, but in general I'm going to be going deep diving a bit more into AudioLab and the things that it does and how to work around things and stuff like that. So today I'm going to be starting with how to add a silence within a track. So if you've got a track that you're playing and you think I want to add a bit of silence here for whatever reason, then I'm going to show you how you can insert a silent area in your track as you are editing it. So first of all, you need to go into trim audio. I've got some audio that I've pre-made here, so I'm just going to click on one of these, and you can see here this is the waveform of the track. So it goes all the way along. It's 8 minutes long. So that's just it playing. So that's the audio track that I've got, and I'm just going to extend this a little bit so it gives me a bit more room. But you can see here you've got these selectors. So the bottom bar selects one end and the top bar here selects the other end, and you can drag it, or you can make it smaller by dragging the bottom one. If you drag the top one, they both move together. So if I'm just going to select this particular area of the track to work on, and at the bottom here you see you've got these buttons here. So I'm going to click on silence, and it's going to think about it a little bit, and then that section that I have clicked on has gone silent, as you can see. So that's done it already. The area that I selected. Let me go back a little bit on here. So go back. You can use the back arrow to come back out of that again. But that's basically it. So that's the area that I selected. So you select that area. So I'll select a smaller area here, and you can play the audio. So you can play the audio that you've got on that section. So you think, right, that's a section I want to delete. You highlight it with these two things here, move it to where exactly you want it, and then you click silence. Bang, it's gone. That's the silence gone. And you can extend that to make the silence bigger. And one thing that I would recommend you doing is, if you use the little spyglass at the top here, click the plus button a couple of times to zoom in a bit closer on what you want to do. So if there's a particular word that you want to take out, or a particular noise, you can do that too. You can move along here. Try and move this along a bit here. So I'm selecting a smaller amount of screen. Let's do that. Right, okay, so now if I come back to this one, slide it along so that I've got only a small area that I'm working on here, like that. So say I want to take out that word just. So that's where it is there. So I'm going to zoom in on that. So that's just the word just that I've said there. So I'm going to hit silence, and that's it. It's gone. It's gone from the track. Again, so you can, if you've done it by mistake, you can undo, and that will take it all back again. And it's just a quick way of putting in a little bit of silence for your track, if that's what you want to do. So this is these are going to be ongoing tutorials. As I said before, I'm going to be doing tutorials and lots of other things associated to AudioLab. So if you've enjoyed this and you want to know more about the application, don't forget to subscribe, like the button, so that it can be shared to more people as well. Thank you very much for joining me.